Fathom Analytics Pro pricing explained what you get for your money. Fathom Analytics Pro isn't just another analytics tool. Most people get this wrong. It's built for privacy-focused businesses that want simple, fast, and GDPR-compliant tracking without the overwhelm of traditional platforms. Pricing starts at per month for the Pro plan. This includes unlimited websites, detailed visitor analytics, real-time reporting, goal tracking, and white label options. You also get features like button tracking, event tracking, and email summaries so you can monitor traffic without logging in constantly. The surprising truth about Fathom Pro is that simplicity does mean limited insights. For example, you can track how many people visit a specific campaign page, where they came from, and whether they completed a conversion, all without storing personal data. This makes it perfect for marketers who need actionable data and peace of mind about privacy. Fathom Pro also offers easy collaboration. You can share dashboards with your team or clients via private links and embed charts directly on websites. No complicated setup, no cluttered interfaces, just clear, actionable analytics. In conclusion, Fathom Analytics Pro pricing gives you a privacy-first, easy-to-use analytics solution. If your goal is to track website performance, optimize marketing efforts, and respect user privacy, Fathom Pro isn't just analytics, it's smart, simple, and reliable data you can act on.